Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread halwa. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare and uses common kitchen staples. First, gather your ingredients. About 10 slices of white bread, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of ghee. You will also need 1/2 cup of water, a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder, and a handful of your favorite nuts for garnish. Having everything prepped makes the cooking smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our bread. Begin by carefully trimming the crusts from about 10 slices of white bread. Once trimmed, cut each slice into 4 equal square pieces. Now, heat approximately 3 tablespoons of ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over a medium flame. Fry the bread pieces in batches until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and become wonderfully crispy. Remove them and place on absorbent paper to drain any excess ghee. Now, let's create the sweetheart of our halwa, the sugar syrup. In the same pan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. Continue to boil for about 5 minutes, or until the syrup reaches a one-string consistency. This means a single thread forms when a drop is pressed between your thumb and forefinger. Finally, stir in a pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. For the grand finale, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add the fried bread pieces into the hot sugar syrup. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece of bread is beautifully coated with the sweet syrup. Continue to cook on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the bread to absorb all that delicious sweetness. Once absorbed, transfer to a serving dish. Garnish generously with your favorite roasted nuts, such as cashews or almonds, and serve this delightful bread halwa warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.